It feels so good to visit my old house. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. So it's 12 o'clock right now. We got late for Bhai Dooj. As I said, we have to go to my father's brother's house. So we got late. I haven't edited yesterday's vlog, nor done any homework because I woke up at 9 and then I have to help my mother doing her work. Now let's go. For Bhai Dooj, we're gonna come back early and then we will come back home, do all our homework and maybe not even go to the park. Let's go. Okay, so we also got stuff to give for the one. So we've reached and I'm feeling really feverish now. I'm having a bad headache. Okay, so we're here and Tika Vika is done. Now let's have food and everything. I might not able to record a lot. So this is my father's brother's house. First, this used to be our house. So before we used to live here, and from here we shifted to the other house. This house used to be very bad before, but they got it renovated and it looks very, very nice. We used to live in this house only, but in a bad condition. So I am happy to see my old house. It used to be the stairs and it used to be so bad. This used to be a junk room. These two washrooms used to be our kitchen once. I don't know what this. Oh, it's a cupboard thing. This used to be my parents' room. That used to be the store. And there used to be a small window there, but now they made it very big. Seriously guys, I'm not joking. And then this room used to be my sister's room. And this room used to be our balcony. But now they changed it a lot. Literally a lot. They turned it into a beautiful room. Wow. Stairs have also been changed. The top floor is a bit small, but still it's looking very nice after we shifted. Okay, I'll show you downstairs. It's my father's brother's anniversary also, so we're getting cake. So we're having two types of cakes. This is chocolate something and this is I don't know which cake these are. It feels so good to visit my old house, but in a much better form, like a much better form. I've never come to their house, only once or twice, that too roughly where I haven't seen it. So their house is very beautiful, better than ours. I'm not feeling jealous or anything, but I feel really nice for them. That was actually vanilla and Nutella cake. It was so yum. And I cannot live without eating anything sweet. I can skip anything savory for anything sweet, okay? Sweet is lifeline. These things put here, the railings are pretty low, so it's so good. The railing used to be of metal or something out here once ago. Here we used to have a very beautiful designed cupboard, but this is so much better. Our bed used to be much different. There used to be a big counter here. Guys, this used to be our wardrobe. I remember a lot, okay? A lot has changed also, because of which I'm really happy. But the room looks small to me compared to when I used to live here. I don't know. I don't actually remember because I shifted from here when I was just 5 years old to Gurgaon. Last year, there weren't a few things. Now they added a few things since last year also. That thing. Okay, I'll take you guys downstairs. share it with you guys, and you can compare the house now with the house then. Grandma's room has become so small. Like, she used to have a room here only. They shortened it up. They changed a lot, literally a lot. Let's check the balcony. The balcony is just like ours, but better. Okay, that's the entrance. There my grandma and I did a lot of stuff. That stone is still there. It hasn't changed at all. So much fun there, and I'm feeling scared here because the railing's too low. Look at this, it's very low. First, this used to be a giant balcony, not as shortened. I mean, they made it small and turned the balcony into a room. Okay, so now we're going to meet my grandma's sister. I want to go home now and just study. That's it. Nothing else is in my mind now except studying. Okay guys, on Monday we have school and have not prepared anything. Not even done my homework. So tomorrow is going to be my homework day. Even today will be. Right now I'm going to do it. And it's 4 o'clock, we're home. School uniform is kind of ready, kind of not. Now let's go. Okay, so it's 6:15 already. Let's go to the park. And I could not find the phone, so I wasted 15 minutes in finding it. And at the end, it was on my study table. Didn't even do one problem because I had a doubt with the maths problem. Now it's solved too, so now it's going to be easy to solve. I have to sleep very early today as I have to wake up very early and finish all my work. I only have one day, that too 12 hours. Then after that I have to see what I will wear to school and prepare for my school, like pencil box, iPad and everything. I combed my hair really nicely so they're straight now. Guys, this entire area has blacked out. I don't know why. And today, literally everyone's lights are off. Nobody is at home. At Diwali, at least people were at home. Today, nobody is at home. Nobody has switched on the lights. And everything's just blank. And nobody has come down to play either. Literally, none of my friends, and the entire walking track is empty. What has happened today? Have people gone? All the people gone out? Or what? If they even have gone out, then they should have come by now. I know that Amigo had gone out for 1-2 days. So thankfully, I didn't miss him. Most of the people have taken off their lights now. It was pointless to order Diwali lights this time because we barely switched it on. Next time I'm gonna order from before only, and I'm gonna put them. I'll order a big one this next time. See, it's all blacked out. What has happened to the lights or something? I don't know. Literally nobody is here. It's actually like Halloween today. Maybe a lot of people haven't come down because of the pollution. Today there's an increase in pollution. Well, yesterday it wasn't so polluted, but today is a lot. Maybe because of that. But if you're wearing a mask, it's okay. For how many days can you stay outside? I mean, stay inside the house. At least I can't. I don't have a bell because I'll tell you. So I don't have a bell because once we were playing badminton last year, a year ago, and my friend Vedant, you must have met him. My friend Vedant, so we make our cycles the net now. So instead of hitting the shuttle was really near to my cycle's bell. So it's funny. So instead of hitting the shuttle, he hit the bell, and it went flying, and then it was somewhere in the jungle. Then we got it back, and it was broken. So there was basically no point. Now I'll have to go buy a new bell. There was nobody down, so cycled alone for 30 minutes. Now let's go home. Okay, Mama has ordered me to get her some water. So let's give her some water. Okay, let's go give. Mama, oh, here you go, water. Okay guys, so now that's it for today. I'm just gonna edit my vlog and sleep by 9:15, and because I want to sleep early, I'm feeling very tired today. So yeah, I hope you like my video. If you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Bye guys, stay safe, stay home. Don't stay home, but wear a mask, and don't move out a lot. Okay.